Hi friends, welcome to System of Rules. Today we are going to discuss section 31 to 40 of the Indian Penal Code. According to section 31 of Indian Penal Code, the words a will denote any testamentary document. Section 32 denotes words referring to acts include illegal omissions. According to section 32 of IPC, in every part of this code except where a contrary intention appears from the context, words which refer to acts done extend also to illegal omissions. Moving on to section 33. 33 denotes act omission. According to section 33 of IPC, the word act denotes as well as series of acts as a single act. The word omission denotes as well as series of omission as a single omission. Section 34. Acts done by several persons in furtherance of common intention. That is, when a criminal act is done by several persons in furtherance of the common intention of all, each of such persons is liable for that act in the same manner as if it were done by him alone. Section 35. When such an act is criminal by reason of its being done with a criminal knowledge or intention. That is, whenever an act which is criminal only by reason of its being done with a criminal knowledge or intention is done by several persons, each of such persons who joins in the act with such knowledge or intention is liable for the act in the same manner as if the act were done by him alone with that knowledge or intention. Section 36. Effect caused partly by act and partly by omission. According to section 36 of the IPC, wherever the causing of a certain effect or an attempt to cause that effect by an act or by an omission is an offense, it is to be understood that the causing of that effect partly by an act and partly by an omission is the same offense. Section 37. Cooperation by doing one of several acts constituting an offense. That is, when an offense is committed by means of several acts, whoever intentionally cooperates in the commission of that offense by doing any one of those acts, either singly or jointly with any other person, commits that offense. Moving on to section 38. According to section 38 of Indian Penal Code, where several persons are engaged or concerned in the commission of a criminal act, they may be guilty of different offences by means of that act. Section 39. Voluntarily. According to section 39 of IPC, a person is said to cause an effect voluntarily when he causes it by means whereby he intended to cause it, or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. Section 40 means offense. Thank you so much for watching. In our next class, we will discuss section 41 to 50 of the Indian Penal Code.